Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Facebook ads with Canva following the full 2025 guide. Canva is such a powerful tool for creating ads that really grab attention. So let's get started. First, head over to the Canva website and log into your account. In the search bar at the top, type in Facebook ads. Canva will instantly show you a library of ready-made templates that are specifically designed for Facebook advertising. Take a moment to scroll through the options. You'll find bold, colorful layouts, sleek minimal styles, and everything in between. Choose a template that matches your brand's tone and the message you want to get across. Once you find one that feels right, click on Customize this template. Now comes the fun part, personalizing it. Start by adjusting the colors to fit your brand palette. Then, play around with the layout so your key message stands out. Canva makes it easy to drag, drop, and rearrange elements until it looks perfect. Next, update the text. Make sure your headline is short, clear, and compelling. Add a strong call to action that tells people exactly what you want them to do. Use Canva's text editing tools to tweak the font, size, and style so it feels on brand and eye-catching. After that, let's focus on imagery. You can upload your own product photos or lifestyle shots or use Canva's built-in library. High-quality, unique visuals will make your ad stand out in the feed, so choose something that's both striking and relevant to your campaign. Once everything looks good, take a moment to review the overall design. Make sure the colors, text, and images work together to tell a clear story. When you're happy with it, click Download. Choose your preferred file type, usually JPEG or PNG, and your ad is ready to go. And that's it. You've just created a professional, engaging Facebook ad using Canva. With this process, you can easily design ads that captivate your audience and support your marketing goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.